Hiya, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be different because I'm gonna show you how I failed making jollof rice. So if you are a jollof rice specialist and have some advice on how to make the perfect jollof rice, keep watching. So everything started off well. I started off by prepping my pepper mix, but I didn't have any sweet pepper, so I just used tomatoes, purple onions, and garlic because I have to practice what I preach when I tell you to use what you have at home. And I was dicing some purple onions so that I can add to the rice as well. Here I am preparing my tomato mix, adding my purple onions, my tomatoes, and my garlic. And since I didn't have any sweet peppers and I didn't let that prevent me from trying to make jollof rice, I added some tomato puree to replace it. And I blended everything well. I set my tomato mixture to the side and moved on to frying my meat. So my meat of choice today was pork chop that I already seasoned. I fried them until they were nice and golden and crispy. Be sure to leave me a comment with all your tips, tricks, and suggestions for me to achieve my best jollof rice. When they were fried properly to my liking, I took them out. I grabbed my pot and I strained the oil. The oil contains all the yummy flavors and seasoning from the pork chop. I only used half of the frying oil and then I added my diced purple onion. I let that cook down and then I added some tomato paste. And guys, before attempting to make my first ever jollof rice, I watched many tutorials and never in a million years did I think that I would fail at making this famous jollof rice. I mixed the tomato paste well and then I added some seasoning. I added thyme, I added ground ginger, parsley flakes, curry powder, salt, black pepper, ground bay leaves, and turmeric powder. I mixed that well and then I added my tomato mixture. I hope you're watching because I need some advice. So I mixed it well and then I covered the pot and let it simmer. So my oil was separating from the tomato mixture, so I know that I was doing something good. I don't like too much of spicy food, so I just added a little bit of hot pepper. After about 30 minutes simmering, my stew is ready to receive my rice. And I wanted to try jollof rice because I see a lot of people making it and it looks delicious and I wanted to know how it tasted. The rice that I'm using is basmati rice, and if that's not the one that I'm supposed to use, please let me know in the comments below. And I was debating for a long time on whether or not I should post this video, but I am posting it because I want to show you that it is trial and error sometimes and that you can't always have it right, but you should always keep trying. Let's get back to the rice. I think this is where I messed up. All the tutorials that I watched said that you should not add too much water because you have to let the rice steam. So I did not add a lot of water. After letting the rice steam for about 15 minutes, I realized that nothing was happening. The rice was hard and nothing was happening, honestly. So I decided to add some water because I said it's really lacking water. So I added some water to try to salvage the rice and try to make it work and cook. I don't think I could have saved the rice, but I did try at the time. Looking at the video, I should have added more water from the beginning, but I'm waiting on all your tips and tricks in the comments so that I can try making jollof rice again another time. At this point, I decided to call it quits and not cause any more damage to the jollof rice. It was wasted ingredients, but lesson learned as well. It was a total fail, but I still had to make it look pretty. There you have it, guys, my failed jollof rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, cook at home and cook with love. See you in the comment section.